Hey guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue lotion slime. This recipe is super easy and only needs 2 ingredients. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is... So please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Let's get right into the video. So I've been MIA for a little bit from YouTube for about 2 weeks now, but I'm at it again with posting some no glue slime recipes and YouTube shorts. So go checking them all out right now. But in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue lotion slime. It's super easy and only needs 2 ingredients. So let's get into the recipe. The ingredients you guys need to make this no glue slime recipe today is any type of lotion. I'm using this one from Bath & Body Works. You guys will need a shampoo or body wash. I'm using this one from Dollar Tree, a boiler plate to make your slime in, a mixing tool, and last but not least, but optional, is food coloring. Okay guys, so this recipe is super easy to make. So I'm first going to start out with my body wash, or you can use shampoo, or even like some type of I guess hand soap. I'm going to add in my soap, and now I'm also going to get my food coloring out right now. I'm just going to add probably tiny little dot in there, just like that. Okay, and now I'm going to get adding in my lotion. So this part can be kind of tricky because, oh my god, I gotta shake this up. Shake up your lotion before you use it. As I was saying, oh my god, I got interrupted. Oh my god. Why is the lotion that color? Well, we're gonna figure it out. But all you have to do is mix up the lotion into your soap, just like this. And oh my god, I really hope this doesn't make a really... As I was saying before I was rudely interrupted by that lotion, I just switched it out for another one. So I'm using this one because the color is a little bit of a whiter color and I want to get a light blue. So I mix that in with the body wash just like that. And I'm going to get mixing it up now for about 1 to 2 minutes. So I'm going to get mixing it right now. Looks like enough mixing, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. Every 30 minutes I'm going to take a look at it and make sure it's working and mix it up. So I'll see you guys in about a second when it's all done. Remember, mix it for about 2 to 3 minutes and put it in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. So I'll see you guys in about a second when this recipe is all done. Alright guys, 2 to 3 hours later, here it is, and I did add in a lighter blue color. I just wanted to say that as well. I mix it up, and there's some of the original lotion over there, but let's get seeing how this is. And ooh, kind of sticky. And why does this feel like a cloud slime? I can't get over this texture. It feels a lot like a cloud slime, or I don't know. Oh wow, very sticky actually. I'm kind of surprised I even got to pick it up from the container, because when I looked at it about an hour ago, it was still super runny. So this is interesting. Look at this texture. I'm trying my best to get this off my hands, but it's so sticky. Oh my god. Well, here is a no glue slime. Low-key turned out pretty good. I do like how the original color was. Again, you could see it on the container, like I said before, and a little bit throughout it. But wow, it actually cleaned it up pretty well from just picking it up. But here's how the slime is now. And this is no glue lotion slime. This recipe has to be one of my favorite ones, how it turned out today. It's super buttery and almost has a cloud-like texture, which is so interesting and compared to my other no glue lotion slimes. But definitely pick a lotion that doesn't have a runny liquid, shake it up, or just pick a lotion that you want to match for the slime you want to make, like this one right here. It turned out pretty good, but still pretty sticky, but I'm really happy with this. This is a huge win-win for me for a no glue slime. So yeah, again, I'm so happy with how this no glue slime recipe turned out today. It turned out super great, super buttery, and it's a super easy recipe to make. So remember, you can add whatever you want into your slimes. You can even just make this a glue recipe if you want to add glue to this and make an activator. It can still make a super cool and buttery slime. But this is how you make no glue lotion slime. Again, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video today. And remember to check out all my recent YouTube shorts. They are up on my page, and all my social medias will be linked down below. But bye guys, I love you so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!